guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I'm Jaisha. In today's video, I don't have any new products to review. I don't have any new techniques to give you or a tutorial. I'm just here doing another wash and go. Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. But if you are looking for new product reviews, stay tuned because I have some stuff coming. Getting straight to the point. For today's wash and go, I am using this Fenty Hair Stronghold Gel, and this is the only product I'm using for my wash and go today. So normally I would be using a leave-in conditioner. When I do my wash and goes, I typically use a leave-in conditioner and a gel. However, when I reviewed this product, for the sake of the review, I didn't use a leave-in and I only used the gel, and my wash and go turned out really good. And so I just didn't want to disrupt that, so I'm just gonna use the gel by itself. The gel was very moisturizing. My hair felt really good and it lasted. It had hold for a long time afterwards, so I just didn't want to disrupt that, and I'm hoping I can get the same results this time around. So a few weeks ago, I got a silk press and I got my hair trimmed, and I don't know what it is, but like, all of a sudden now when I get a silk press, my hair never lasts. Like within a few hours or the next day, it ends up being just like poofy or just not the way that I like it doesn't last that long. And I like, when I straighten my hair, I like it like super straight. I don't want it to be like, I don't know, I don't want it to be wavy or have curls or anything like that. I like bone straight. That's just what I like, and I can never get that. And I don't know if it's because I don't straighten my hair very often, so it's not like used to it, or it's just it's not gonna stay. I don't know if it's because I don't do it often or if I'm doing something wrong. I was thinking the next time I do straighten my hair, I might use that Color Wow. I don't know the brand, or I can't remember what it's called, but I know it's a silver bottle and it says Wow. And it's supposed to be like an anti-humidity spray to keep your hair from frizzing up. I might try it out next time. Cause yeah, I want my silk presses to last like a week or 2 weeks or so, because I don't straighten my hair often. I just want to take advantage of when I do have straight hair, you know, to switch it up, do something fun, something different. And she just be wildin', like she don't want to cooperate, she don't want to do nothing. I do have a friend that used the Wow anti-humidity spray, whatever it is called, and she liked it. It was a good review, and she lives in Florida, so it's gotta be good, right? Okay, but this last time I straightened my hair, it really made me question and think about this. Is curly hair less maintenance than straight hair? I know that typically the narrative is that straight hair is easier to deal with and it's easier to maintain and that kind of thing, but like that was the first time I felt like this is too much work. This straight hair stuff is too much work. But that was like the first time I felt like maybe curly hair is easier. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, okay, so my routine for my curly hair would be, I have my wash day, I style my hair in a wash and go, and that's it. It lasts until my next wash day, or if it doesn't, maybe I have to put my hair in a bun for a few days to make me get to my next wash day. I don't have to do anything to my hair before I go to sleep. I put it in a pineapple and I put my bonnet on and I go to sleep. Or sometimes I don't even have to put it in a pineapple. I can just put my bonnet on and go to bed with my wash and go. I don't have to do anything to my hair. And then I wake up in the morning and I just fluff it out and go about my business. That's it. I don't have to do any refreshing or anything really. With straight hair, that was the really annoying thing, is you have to tie your hair up or wrap it before you go to bed. Like you either have to wrap your hair or put in flexi rods or bantu knots or something. Like you can't just go to bed on straight hair and think it's gonna, you can, but it's just gonna be more work the next day. So on nights when I'm tired, I'm watching TV, I start falling asleep in bed, then I gotta get up and wrap my hair or do something to it. Whereas if I have my wash and go, I just put my bonnet on and go to sleep. With straight hair, you still have to do your hair daily. Like whether that's for body waves or like straighten it again or like whatever it is, you kind of still have to do something to your hair the next day. With curly hair, I just fluff it out and go. That's it. I also forgot to mention that when I'm wearing my hair curly, I don't ever have to worry about it getting frizzy or poofy because of the weather, which is always a concern when my hair is straight. I will say though, one of the benefits to straight hair is that it's easier to maintain your trims. It's easier to maintain trimming your hair because it's easier to see when your hair needs to be trimmed. It's easier to identify split ends and breakage when your hair is straight versus when it's curly, which is something I definitely have trouble with because I do not stay on top of my maintenance trims the way I should. I usually just wait. I usually wait too long, and it's typically not until my hair starts acting funny or feeling different that I'm like, okay, it's time for me to get a trim. Let me stop procrastinating with this. But with straight hair, it's just easier to like snip see a split end, when you see split ends and breakage, to just kind of like snip little by little. So I mean, yeah, it's kind of just like pick your poison, right? Not that one is better than the other, but you know, just like with everything, there's pros and cons to each, and it's kind of just like what you prefer ultimately. Like, it's your hair, so I mean, it's really just comes down to a matter of preference and what works for your life. For me personally, like I said, I know the narrative is usually that straight hair is easier to deal with and to maintain, but for me, I really think curly hair might be easier for me, minus the trims, which I'm working on. So I'm gonna try a new timetable. Please don't try to hold me to it, but maybe if I do a silk press every 3 or 4 months or so, it could, obviously I could maintain my ends and trim my hair a little bit more often, but also it could help hopefully with like my hair lasting if it is used to being straightened, so my silk presses will last a little bit more, a little bit longer. I don't know. I really don't know. This is just a theory, which is why I said don't hold me to this timeline. Alright y'all, this is my final look. Here are my results from my one product wash and go. This gel is really good. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you did like this just chill chit chat video, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of my content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.